Easy transactions lead to more revenue. And to help you offer flexible options to your customers in WordPress, FluentCart now allows you to collect payments via Authorize.net. For years, Authorize.net has been a trusted gateway for businesses handling direct card payments and long-term stability. And today, I'm going to show you how you can integrate this awesome payment gateway with FluentCart. So let's get started from the FluentCart payment settings. There are multiple payment gateways that you can use it on, but I'm focusing on Authorize.net. So let's tap on the Manage button first, and that takes us directly to the integration page, where I will first enable the payment gateway by toggling on the payment activation switch, and for demonstration purposes, I will stick with the test credentials. Well, here you will have to enter the API details, things like your login ID, transaction ID, client key, and signature key. You will get all those credentials from your Authorize.net account. So let's bring them in. I'm keeping both tabs open side by side so I can copy and paste without any hassle. As I'm already logged in and you can see my dashboard, what I will do is just jump into the account section, go to Account and API settings, and from there, open API credentials and keys. That's where you'll find everything you need to connect Authorize.net with FluentCart. Step 1 is to copy the login ID and paste it there. And then generate a new transaction key. You'll see a quick verification step. Just follow along. Now, simply copy the key and paste it into the corresponding field. The same process applies to the signature key and the client key. Once you've generated them and put them into the desired fields, okay, let's head back to the Authorize.net credentials page. Okay, after this, let's enable this option so customers can also pay using their bank account at the checkout time. Anyway, there are multiple options to adjust if you want to give your user a personalized experience at checkout time. But for now, I'm happy with the default one. If you enable this option, it will help you with the troubleshooting if anything goes wrong. All right, here you can see the webhook setup. This setup is important because when I configure the webhook, FluentCart will stay in sync with what happens inside Authorize.net. So let's configure it. At first, you can see the list of recommended events we need. Now, to use those events, I'll head back to Authorize.net payment settings and open the account and API settings. Scrolling down a bit, here's the webhook. So let's create a new webhook first. I'll start by giving it a name. And for the endpoint URL, I'm going to go ahead and copy it directly from the FluentCart Authorize.net configuration page. Also, don't forget to set the status to active. After that, the one thing left is to select the recommended events one by one and save the changes. Okay, and just like that, the webhook is active. And we are all set to start accepting payments. Now, let's check out your online store powered by FluentCart and see how Authorize.net works for customers. When a customer selects a product and clicks Buy Now, they're taken straight to the checkout page. They will see all the options available, including Authorize.net. At checkout time, customers can either pay by card or bank account, whichever suits them best. Once the payment is completed, they'll receive a receipt. And that's it. Everything is integrated in a way that feels native. Subscriptions, refunds, renewals, and classic cart flows all behave the way you'd expect. Just straightforward, stable payment processing inside FluentCart checkout. Not just that, you have access to a lot more features and payment gateways in FluentCart that can streamline your business and boost your growth. So why wait? Grab FluentCart now. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.